Southwest Airlines gaining altitude today. The company reporting results, announcing plans for a new capital raise. Southwest CEO telling CNBC today the company is encouraging passengers to wear masks. Meantime, JetBlue becoming the first major U.S. airline to mandate face coverings for all passengers. That starts next month. But here's a big question. Will masks be enough to make you feel safe on a plane? The Washington Post publishing this animation from Purdue University. It shows how germs really travel inside a plane, and the visualization shows you how tiny invisible droplets from a single cough can flow throughout the cabin of a Boeing 767 jet. So imagine you're sitting next to or in the surrounding seats of that purple seat, and you're just out of luck, basically. Karen Finerman, do we use that sort of information to try and understand whether or not people go back on planes?
Well, I'm actually very glad that I can't see that video. I think the mask will help. They'll have to address it other ways as well. I don't know if they help with the circulation system or what. I don't know. Clearly, they have to address it, or they have to somehow get that video off the air. But I'm optimistic one day air travel will be back. One day.
Well, we just keep playing it in a loop over and over and over again. So tough luck for them. I mean, obviously, the FAA could mandate. I mean, they do all sorts of things when it comes to requirements about air quality. And what could that mean, Tim? I mean, you've been an investor in the airlines for airline profitability. If they start coming in saying, you know what, you need these filtration systems, you need this and that, you got to wear masks, you need PPE, whatever it is.
There's clearly going to be a new normal, sorry for that term, and it's clearly going to be one where also how are we going to eat the peanuts on the airplane if we've got a mask on? So I do think it's a case where airlines rallied big today just on the fact that you actually are starting to get some plans out of airlines. I think that's important.
It's a good question.